Today, marketing teams are looking for tools to target and measure audiences more effectively. However, many of today's approaches lose an important element: tangible media the end user can hold. Ricoh's Clickable paper can help address this challenge. If a prospective end user sees something that interests them, they click on it and become more immersed in what is available to them. All in real time. And in turn, Clickable paper provides vital information to the marketing team, resulting in qualified leads and a more refined marketing strategy. All from a simple brochure. Clickable paper streamlines the access of information that traditionally would be spread across multiple sources. Now it can all be done with a single click. And valuable end-user information is immediately fed back to the content provider. Connecting with prospective clients has never been easier. A postcard can be eye-catching, but with Clickable paper, it becomes a portal to a wealth of information. By making material interactive and providing relevant content, companies can build a better relationship with their customers by offering a valuable experience. And as they gain a greater understanding of their audience, they can adjust their marketing approach on the fly, going beyond what print-only campaigns can do. For example, with Clickable paper, a person can sign up for events, driving registration revenue, or they can access useful data like up-to-the-minute weather information or qualify for discounts, bringing them immediately to the content provider's website. Clickable paper allows you to monitor, analyze, and shape both current and future campaigns, merging the fast-paced interactive feedback of a digital campaign with the printed page. It's an innovative avenue for communicators to engage with end users and develop a valued, lasting relationship. To learn more about how you can engage your target audiences in two-way conversations that drive results, contact your local Ricoh representative.